Alright, so magandang hapon mga ka-social. Uh, I will be guiding you through the formulation of your goals and objectives through the use of Google Worksheet. Okay, since hindi po lahat ay makaka-attend ng ating FB calls or ng ating Zoom conference or meeting within the day, minabuti ko po na gumawa ng demo, okay, for you to take a look at your subsector. Okay, para kahit kayo po ay magawa ninyo on your own, no? Even in the convenience of your own offices, your own homes. Okay, so anytime you can access this one. Meron po ako kaninang pinadala sa Angeles Social Sector CLUP workshop chat group natin. No? Ito po yung Google Docs. It's a spreadsheet na ginawan ko na po ng kanya-kanyang subsector sheets po ang bawat subsector ninyo para po mas nakafocus kayo doon at hindi na po kayo malito sa mga ibang inputs din po ng ibang subsectors. So we have to do this little by little, and if you have any questions, just drop me a message or you can ask the chat you can ask other people from the chat group ng ating social po, no? Social sector chat group. Okay. So first is we have several tabs here. Ito po yung nasa baba. Kung makikita ninyo, meron po tayong master list, meron po tayong the overall social sheet. Okay, nandyan po lahat ng subsectors. Okay, wag nyo na lang po muna yan na gagalawin. Ang gagalawin nyo lang po kung ano yung subsector ninyo, no? Okay, housing, health, nutrition and sanitation, education, peace and order, or public safety. We also have social welfare, sports and recreation. Meron din po tayong spirituality, values formation, culture, and heritage. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo po dito sa master list, ito lang po ay parang to guide you through the formulation of your goals. So, meron po tayong mga potential sources of local goals, no? From different sources. These are from higher level plans. Okay, so, meron po tayong universal concept of the public interest, sustainable development goals, general welfare goals. Meron din pa po tayong principle from the NFPP, 10-point agenda of the president. Meron din tayong ambition natin 2014, PDP. Okay, meron din po tayong RDP of Central Luzon. Also, we have Regional Recovery Program of Central Luzon, the PDP-FP of Pampanga. Okay, ito po ay mga general lang po, no, from the higher level plans. Now, you can call out your your goals from here, but you have to rephrase it pagdating na po doon sa very specific na subsector ninyo, na kailangan din po, titignan natin if akma po talaga siya sa Angeles City or akma po siya doon sa inyong particular subsector. Also, I've provided another voice recording of your issues and concerns per subsector. Okay? Kasi doon din po, mare-review nyo from workshop number 1, ano po ba yung mga issues and concerns and technical findings na pwede nyo i-consider in making or formulating your goals and objectives. Okay? So, kailangan, you also have to consider that. And another thing you have to consider is yung mga descriptors ninyo or yung mga statements, no? Doon po galing sa ating vision statement, which I also posted earlier. Okay, so moving on with the Google document. Okay, ito po yung sa social, overall na po yan. Don't mind that one, no? Pero if you want to review kung ano po yung mga nilalaman ng bawat subsector, andyan po sila lahat. Okay, meron tayong housing, health, nutrition and sanitation, education, peace and order, public safety, okay, social welfare. Bigyan ko po kayo ng example, no? Okay. For example, dito sa social welfare natin, meron tayong themes or components. Okay, meron tayong, syempre under sa social welfare, yung welfare of the indigent, children's welfare, youth welfare, women's welfare, welfare of the elderly, welfare of the persons with disability or May ibang tawag na po dyan, no? Well, okay, I'll get back to that. No? Welfare of indigenous people and gender and development. Okay. Sa ating goals po, for example, maglalagay po ako dito ng, isa sa mga goals ko, okay, considering the issues and concerns and technical findings, okay, and also considering the vision statement. For example, ano po ba ang goal na gusto ko for the welfare of indigenous people? Okay, say, promote well-being of, okay, indigenous cultural communities. Ayan. Okay? Okay. Another example, dito naman sa GAD. Reduce inequality among, okay, blank, blank, blank. Okay. Meron naman tayo dito. Okay. Reduce inequality among marginalized groups. Okay. So, hindi lang po basta-basta ako or kayo po maglalagay niyan. You have to take into consideration the current situation of Angeles City and ano po yung needs, no, of that particular um, subsector. Alright? So, if you have questions, if you have comments, okay, just drop me a message. It could be a personal message or you can message the group para meron din pong iba na pwedeng magbigay ng inputs. So, let's say meron pong iba na subsector, point person na gusto pong mag-contribute, for example, sa peace and order and public safety, okay, you may also edit or go to that page and edit or put your inputs. Okay? So, sa objectives, ganun din po. So, kung naguguluhan po kayo sa kung paano po mag-formulate ng goals and objectives, meron po kaming mga video presentations that were presented doon po sa chat group, yung main chat group, no, on how you will formulate your goals and objectives. So, sa objectives po, hindi po necessarily isang goal ay isang objectives lang, or isang objective lang. Pwede pong merong several objectives, no, under one goal. Another thing, sa isang theme or component, pwede po tayo magkaroon ng dalawang goals or several goals. Depende po yan sa on how you will gauge ano po talaga ang goals, no, or goal for every component theme, for every subsector. Okay? Kung wala po kayong maisip or sa tingin nyo, you've reached your goal already or your goals, okay, you can actually put one goal for the entire subsector sa buong social welfare na, for example. Ganon. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you make use of your time to use this one, no, this working file, and then we will collaborate and we will talk about it later, no, mag-deliberate po tayo, mag-discuss po tayo on the other things that we will be doing for the next days. Okay, so hopefully makapag-Zoom or FB meeting tayo within this week. All right, so thank you and have a nice day.